What's going on? What's going on? Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, I got a haircut. It's so short. Oh god. It's really short. Okay, so today, what are we doing today? We are unboxing this little fountain that I got. I got it at Ross. I shop at Ross for stuff all the time. It was $8.99. So let's open it. I should get you guys. How are you guys? Let's see what we have here. We have rocks. Oops. Look at it. It's so cute. I got it because of the water. I really like hearing like fountains and water. Any batteries? Darn. Okay. Let's see what else. It's in this fountain. Instructions. That's it. So I should look like this. I'll see you in a second. Okay, guys, I did it. I haven't turned it on, so let's see. Oh my god. Ah. What's going on? Did I do something wrong? Oh my god. Is that how it's supposed to sound? Okay, so I don't know. I took the rocks out, but still making a weird noise, and then it's like stopping. So I can move it a little bit, and like it's stuck right here. Oh my god. I don't know. Am I doing this right? You can hear that in the background, my fountain, which was an epic fail. I don't know. I'm so disappointed. I was so excited. But now it's like, it's not like the picture. Look at this. I'm gonna go set up my sisters and I'll be back in a second. Hey, I'm back. Look at this. It's gonna be an epic fail. I didn't try putting the rocks because I feel like it's gonna be an epic fail again. Let's try in 3, 2, 1. What's going on? What's going on? Where's the water? Alright, well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this review, which I hope nobody buys them from Ross. Go ahead and tune next time. I'm gonna do the TMI tag. And then after that, we're gonna do the Coca-Cola versus Pepsi challenge with my nephews. I hope they're okay. We're filming it today, but I'm posting it in about a week or so. Say bye. Say bye. This is another of my nephews. Say bye. He's shy. You're shy? No, we'll say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. It's you.
You're not to do.
Can you give me a kissy?
No.
What do you mean no? I'll give you a kissy.